Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making soap. This is what the packaging looks like. It gives you pages on different types of soap you can make and the directions for it. In the box, it contains 20 boxes of clear soap, soap molds, 20 color tablets, coconut papaya scent, and in the packaging, it contains a toy fish, ribbon, gift tags, and glitter. The first soap we're going to be making is called Sprinkle Suds. This is what it looks like and directions right next to it. So what you're gonna do is take any color tablet you like and cut them up into pieces like this. After you cut them up into pieces, you're going to sprinkle it at the bottom of your cupcake mold. I forgot to show this part, but you're going to take 2 blocks of soap and you're going to melt them in the microwave for about 10 seconds until it's all melted. Then after that, you're going to pour it into the mold, and this is how it's going to look like. Next part, we are going to work on the bottom part of the cupcake. What you are going to do is take 2 blocks of soap and 2 color tablets of any color you'd like. You're going to melt them in the microwave until they are all melted. After pouring it into the mold, you're going to add a few drops of the scent. While that's drying, we're going to work on the emoji cat, and this is what it looks like. To make the emoji cat, you'll be needing 3 blocks of soap and 2 color tablets of your choice. You'll also be needing a few drops of the scent and this sticker that is needed at the end. After melting it in the microwave, this is what it should look like in the mold. While that is drying, we are going to be working on another soap called Galaxy Star. For this, you'll only be needing 2 blocks of soap, 2 color tablets, a few pumps of the scent, and a pinch of cosmetic glitter. You're also going to be melting this in the microwave and pouring it into the mold. This is what the soaps look like. You're going to be letting it cool for at least 30 minutes, but to speed up the process, you can put it in the fridge. After 30 minutes of being in the fridge, this is what the soaps look like, but we're not done yet. We're going to be taking the sticker from earlier and placing it on the cat and pressing it down with a paper towel that is soaked in water. We're going to be doing this until it's a little drenched, not too much. Now for the cupcake, we're going to be melting a little bit of soap and placing it on the bottom of the cupcake and pressing it down together so it sticks. After letting the soaps air dry for a bit, this is what they turned out to look like. I hope you guys enjoyed.